Hi boys and girls, Miss Krause here to show you how to do the Light Wind, Strong Wind art project. First, you're going to need some materials. You're going to need some paint, whatever paint your teacher has, possibly water if it's watercolor, a straw, and your white piece of paper. What you're going to want to do, if you have watercolor, is get your watercolor wet, get it very wet, and you're going to drip it onto your paper. I'm going to drip it onto your paper real nice, big drips. Then you're going to take your straw and you're going to use your breath to blow wind. All right, did you see how it spread across the paper? All right, you can choose to do a different color if you like. Make sure you get a big daub of paint on your paper. You're going to want to fill your whole paper up. And then you're going to get your straw and you're going to blow it. All right, and you're going to do this to your whole paper. Okay, for your light and strong wind, you're going to blow hard, you're going to blow soft. Another thing you're going to need when you're done with your paper, with your art project, is your light and strong wind art project recording sheet. And you're going to answer these questions when you're done. All right, have fun.